Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal University School. Today I am going to take a class for class 2 and today's topic is River with Rainbow with Color. Okay, it's very easy and maybe it's also your favorite topic because all of you like to draw the rainbow. Look, this one is your art copies page. I have used the page vertically. Okay, now I will show you how I will draw this. Just divide your page like this. Okay, draw a earth and give the boat. Okay, and give here a tree also. Okay, give the far village, and here you can use another boat. And give a figure, that means the boatman and sail. Okay, so now we will draw the rainbow. Give some cloud here and give the rainbow like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I will brief you the color. It's very easy topic, you know that. Look at the board. I have colored a picture for you. Very easy. First you will draw the cloud, river and sky. After that color the boats and then color the yard and tree and then color this far village and finally you will color the rainbow. And rainbow color is 7 color. You know that rainbow is 7 color name. That 7 color is 1. This one is purple. Okay. This one is blue, this one is sky blue, this one is green, yellow, orange and finally red. And on the boat I have used here yellow color, that means light yellow. Here I have used deep yellow and finally here I have used brown color. Here also same color, and on the sail I have used orange color, and here I have used the green color, and then finally I have touched here some deep blue color, and here I have used the blue color. Here I have used green color, and on the cloud I have used white and bordered this line by the deep blue color. So dear student, hope you all have understood how I have drawn this. You will watch this class carefully and practice at your home. This one is your HW also, and your HW number is 5. Okay, your HW number 5, mention the HW number and do the HW. Submit your school at every Saturday 9 am to 3 pm. So my dear student, hope you will practice and practice at your home. No more today. Thank you.